Do you wake up tired, sluggish, and already dreaming of going back to bed? What if I told you that just 15 minutes each morning could completely change how you feel, think, and show up for the day? Today, I'm going to share this simple yet powerful morning ritual that has transformed my energy, boosted my focus, and helped me win the day before 8 a.m. Most people hit snooze, grab their phones, and rush into chaos. That routine? It's draining your energy before your day even starts. But imagine starting your morning with calm, clarity, and unstoppable energy. Let me show you how. 1. Hydrate and wake the very first thing before coffee before scrolling is water. Drink a full glass of water with a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon. This jumpstarts your metabolism, rehydrates your brain, and wakes up your system faster than caffeine ever could. To move your body. Next, move. It doesn't have to be a full workout. Just 5 to 10 minutes of light movement stretching. Yoga or dancing gets your blood flowing and boosts your dopamine. Trust me, your body will thank you. 3. Breathe and meditate. Then take 3 minutes to breathe. Just sit still. Close your eyes. Breathe in through your nose. Hold. And out through your mouth. This calms your nervous system and gives you a moment of peace before emails, news, or social media flood in. For visualize and intention. Now visualize. Picture your ideal day. Ask yourself, how do I want to feel today? What energy do I want to bring? Set a simple intention like, today, I move with purpose, or I stay calm and focused. 5. Known phone zone. Here's a game changer. No phone for the first 30 minutes. Give your mind a break from the chaos. Let you set the tone for your day, not the news or notifications. Try this ritual tomorrow, just one morning, and feel the difference. Let me know in the comments how it works for you. You want more tips like this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a dose of energy.